Hey there folks, I'm going to do an unboxing for you. Haven't done one of these in a while. Everybody's at Blade Show, scoring their lotto, nice, standing online, meeting friends at the pit. I'm home. None of the wieners attended. Maybe next year. At this point in my knife collecting, knife life, it's more important to me just to hang out with my friends over there. So there's really nothing I'm looking for. I always say that, but then when I get there, I always want something. I always buy something. I still inevitably enter all the lottos. I don't know what Blade Show is doing this year, but they're doing something pretty good. I think they hired somebody to do all the Blade Show coverage, and they're doing a pretty good job, I think. So I forget who the lady is, but she's doing a pretty good job. And good on you, Blade Show. It's about time you got an Instagram or YouTuber to showcase Blade Show, because you guys weren't doing anything. Guess they figured they needed that because for COVID, the lockdown, they wanted to promote it again. So they went to the influencers to help promote the show. And it looks like it's a good show. It looks like everyone's doing good. Anyways, all right, so what I got here? Come to the nice side. Let's just open this up. Cut using my Jeff Isgro fixie over here. It's pretty badass. This is in collaboration with him and his son Anthony.
Oh, it's so sharp. It's like a scalpel.
This was sent out a while ago, but I hit a bit of a delay, you know, because UPS has been sucking lately. I know no one's watching this because everyone's at the show. What is this thing? So this is from my man Arch. You'll see. You'll see. Look at that. My t-shirt. Really well packaged, Arch. Nice job. Nice Guy Machines. If you guys have been following Arch on Instagram, on YouTube, you know what this is. Yo, it's my bit o' honey. I've been waiting for this. My bit o' honey, my old-timey bazooka. Nice Guy Machines has been busy creating stuff for the EDC community. Nice sticker. Number 11. Arch. I like that. Isn't that the anarchy symbol? That's pretty cool. Version 1. Does it have all this? You know, Archie packages all this by himself, which is kind of cool. Nice little, well, it's just gonna, I'm not gonna cut it, but I'm just gonna open it like a Christmas gift. You guys know what it is? You know what it is? Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Go this way. Mr. Nice Bar. So this is Nice Guy Machines' new Pry Bar. So a lot of things coming out of that shop that's going to be pretty cool. So, you know, he did the safety whistle. Let me show you guys that. So this is the first thing he introduced out of his shop, the safety whistle, which is a, it's like a pot whistle. You put the pot in there, you light it, and then you smoke it. So he sent me this to check out. Pretty cool. I think it's pretty popular, still popular if you guys want that. And of course he wants to branch out and do other things. And I've been following him, and I love this Mr. Nice Bar. So he did it. He does a really good video on this, and he walks you through everything. So watch it on his Instagram. But there's his company logo, just like here. Mr. Nice Bar. So he says he wanted to make it kind of like a candy bar, like a chocolate bar. So this part over here is recessed, and Mr. Nice Bar is deeply etched in there. Not etched, what's the word? Cut. Yeah, it's cut in there nicely. All right, nicely chamfered everywhere. A nice pocket clip. This is a pretty good size pry bar. I have a couple of pry bars, but this is pretty cool. I love this part. So he puts the ingredients. So this is titanium. I think there's plans to make it out of tool steel. If that's something you guys are interested in. Of course, built right here in the United States. A lanyard loop if you want to attach like your Scoopy Loose bead in there. So if you want to attach that, you can do that. This is awesome, Archie. This is really well done. This is really well done. So you got the bottle opener. Look at that. Nice machine work. And of course you got the pry bar. Rounded off. Really nice. No sharp edges. Even here. Really well done. So you can use this. You can use this as a pry bar or a flathead. Nice stone wash. You can see the machining lines there, kinda. You see it? And I think he did something different. There's different iterations of the pry bar, and you can get it in different finishes. So this one is a nice stone wash. I'm not sure if he makes it in satin or bead blast, but I know he can pretty much do whatever. He's actually at Blade, so jealous. He's at Blade show this weekend with everybody else. None of the wieners are represented. But pretty neat. Good size pry bar, really. Excellent. Really well done. Anyway, guys, that's Mr. Nice Bar from Nice Guy Machines. Check it out. Peace.